Another beautiful day and a great day for a drive. This is a 2021 Ranger Lariat in cyber orange with the black striping, and it has a black appearance package which includes the 18-inch painted black aluminum wheels as well as a black running board. You have a spray-in liner with a 5-foot box. It has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, 10-speed automatic transmission as well. It's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes the FX4 tuned suspension. As well, you have the trail mode, and you also have skid plates. It also has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Door as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, as is the passenger seat, and you have your lighting controls located here. High mount LED light, controls for your mirror, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. With the aid of the running board, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, adaptive cruise, media controls, volume, and hands-free dialing. And when we push the start button with our foot on the brake and the key in the pocket, that's how we start up the vehicle. And we have two menus. There's one on the left, display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have submenus. On the right-hand side, we also have another menu with entertainment, navigation, and phone. And you notice they change color as we go through. You have your little bin there, B&O badging for your audio system. We've got our display screen here. And I'm just going to turn down the volume sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And it's just a touch on the screen to make the changes. Put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So these white lines and the center line show you which way you're going to go as you turn the steering wheel. Green, yellow, red is just how close you are to whatever it is you're backing towards. And in your climate, you have your dual climate control for both driver and passenger, and there's your AC front and rear defrost. You can control it here, you can control it down below, and I'll show you that in a moment. Navigation, your map is going to come up. And in settings, you can slide through. You're seeing Bluetooth, navigation, Ford Pass Connect, display, Apple CarPlay. So you can touch on here too. So you have a couple of different options of where you can control things, whatever you find convenient and easy for you to use. And then there's your hazard lights, volume, and tuner. And then you have your dual climate control for both driver and passenger. So as I mentioned, on the screen or down here, whatever works. There's your fan, front and rear defrost, your AC and max AC. And you also have heated seats for both driver and passenger. As well, you've got 12 volts and USB, and then you've got your hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, locking differential, tow haul, parking sensors, and traction control. There's your 4x4, and there's your terrain management, which is part of your FX4 off-road package. Terrain mode's normal, and then press again. You're going to get your grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, and sand, and then back around again. And then you have your automatic select shifter, the emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, and your armrest is just a clip underneath, and you've got lots of room in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, universal garage door opener, there's your sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body on the passenger side, just makes it easier to get in. 18-inch black painted aluminum wheels, black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access. So what that means is when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate, and the tailgate is lockable and removable. Below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it all up, just pull the handle on the latch. You've got this nice tough bed spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat, so you simply pull the tab at the base of the seat. Now, you don't have to pull one at each end, just one end. Pull it and it'll bring it right up. You've got a nice little bin in here, and your jack also fits on the other side. Pull it again, down it comes, and in the center is an armrest. Just put your finger in the tab, pull it down. You got a couple of cup holders. You also have all-weather mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a 110 volt and a couple of USB, so lots of places to plug in and connect. Up above is your lighting, hooks and handles, and in the back you have access to a sliding window, and you also have rear defrost. Colored bumper with sensors, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, hood deflector, fog lights, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We love to hear your comments and we have plenty to show you.